Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Okay, today we will gonna teach. I'm gonna teach you how you can uh, upload the picture in the picture box. Let's say you want to click upload. You can. Let's say you want to click upload in here. You want to click upload photo. Then you can select the picture that you want to upload in this picture box. Okay, so this time you will learn how you can upload a photo in a picture box. Okay, let's start. Okay, and let's move to Visual Basic. Okay, here in Visual Basic I will move to the view object. Okay, and don't forget to in our part 2 of our lesson, you need to give the name to your form and the name to your project. Okay, here I put the name profile to my form and then profile same name to my project. You can give the name that you want to your form and project, and don't forget to that you need to remember what is the name of your form and the name of your project. So in my case, I give a name profile. So when I open my project, I am looking for the profile project, and then this will open. This form that we created in the part 2 will open. Okay, now here we will move to how I can when I click upload, and then I can select a photo, and then I can put here in this picture box. Okay, again, this picture box, we need to check the properties of picture box, select, and then right click, and then click properties. So you can see here, this picture box have the name Picture1. This picture box have the name Picture1. And this picture box have a picture property. You can see the picture property. Let's look, have a look. Picture property, where is picture? Okay, here is the picture property. You can see here. Okay, have a look. This picture box have a picture property. So when you put when you click here, if you look for the picture, let's say you go to, I have a picture here in my pictures. Here, this CB1. When I select this and I open, so you can see this picture has been uh, inserted into the picture box. So this is how we will do in this form. When I click upload, you can select a photo and you can select the photo and put here in the picture box. Okay, this is how we will do it here in this lesson. Okay, now I remove it, so we don't have pictures anymore. We will do it using code. Okay, using code. Now let's start doing it. When I click upload, you can see this. As I said, when I click upload, this common dialog will open. As we did yesterday, when I click, say when I check it, when I click upload, oh wait, I removed the, no, wait a moment. You can see here, move to object, when I click upload, I will again common dialog that show open. I accidentally remove it. You can see the name of this the name of this one. This is the common dialog that we created yesterday. Is we give a name common dialog. So when I click upload, I want to show this. So here in the code, we can do like common dialog that show open. Simply says when upload click, a common dialog that show open will open the common dialog. Okay, let's check. You see, when I click upload, you can see a common dialog was open. And now here, I want to only files that have photos. I don't like files that don't have photos. Like this one, you see a lot of different types of files here. I want only to filter only photos when I click upload. So how can we do that? Okay, let's do this in next in our source code. Okay, now here, okay, now here in our no, when we show the common dialog, so we will filter what is inside the common dialog. We will filter only JPEG files will be open. Now, what is a JPEG? This JPEG files is only photos. You can see here. JPEG or JPG is a commonly used format for lossy compression for digital image. So these JPEG or JPG files are mostly photos that you can see on the website. That is why we need to filter only when I click the upload, the common dialog box filter will filter only JPEG files. Okay, now let's do this. Okay, I will select it. You can see common dialog that filter is equal to, and then you need to close it, and then the types of the file JPEG and all JPG files. This is how we can uh, select this. Okay, I will copy and then put on. Okay, I will put here in our code. Oh. Okay, here next. To show it, you can see common dialog.filter is equal to JPEG or JPG files. Okay, I will save it, and then once you open, And then once you click upload, so you can select only JPG files. You can see here. You can filter only JPG files, only image. Okay, next we move to the next line of code, str. So we need to take the file name of the file that we want to load in the picture box, so that every time we can grab the file name and we can put on the picture box. Now, what is a file name? Here you can see an example of a file name. See, let's say this is the location from my C drive. Okay, here's a example of file name in my C drive, and then this is the name of the photo. Okay, we need to include the location and then the name of the photo. So I give them a name CB1. Okay, now this is an example of a file name. So we need to grab every time we click upload, we need to grab the file name of that selected photo. So here is how we can grab the file name using we need to declare a variable str is equal to CommonDialog.FileName. And here at the top, we need to declare the str. What is str? What types of file is str? So at the top of your code, outside this procedure, private sub procedures, we need to declare that str is a string. Okay, remember, a file name is like a string. Okay, it have a number, we have letters with different characters inside of it. So a file name is a string types of file. So we need to declare str as string. Okay, let's do this. I will grab this. I will copy and then go to your code. Return back to your code, and at the top of your code, outside any procedure, so we need to declare. You need to stop the form if it's still running, so that you can do your work. Okay, this is how you can declare variable in Visual Basic using dim str as string, which means this variable str is declared as type of string. And now that the str is already a string, okay, we will grab this CommonDialog file name so that we can grab the file name. We can take the file name from the location, and then we will put inside this variable str. Okay, now that every time we click upload and select a photo, the file name of that photo will be transferred here in this variable str. And now we can load the picture. So how can we load it? Using this code, Picture1. Okay, again we will put here. Remember Picture1? Why Picture1? Remember, Picture1 is the name of the picture box, and there is a property there, picture. Okay, and there is a execution said load picture, and here is the name of the picture, which means the file name. Okay, this is how we can load the picture in the picture box. You need to open and then filter and then assign the file name to a variable, and then we can load the picture using this variable, because str is now the file name of the picture we selected. Okay, let's check when we say upload, and then let's say I want to go to my C drive. There is that photo. I will check. Okay, we can grab any file that we want. We can take any file that we want now here. Let's say I have a lot of files. I have a lot of photos in download. I can grab here the photo. Let's say this one. But really, I don't have photos of that. Come here in my pictures. You can see I have one photo here, CB1. So you can open. You can see this. The file name of this is CB1. Okay, I will move to properties and then I will check the file name. You can see the location, C users well picture, and then CB1. This str will grab all of these file names, including the location and the names of the file, the name of the photo, CB1. Once you click open, okay. So when I open it, you can see the photo has been taken and moved to the picture box because the file name was taken using this using this using the text property picture. Okay, you will see that the property of this picture became C user rel CB1 every time you upload and open a picture. Okay, again we will check more pictures, only JPG files. So you can see, you upload the picture, only JPG files. So you can see the picture has been removed and give the file name to. This is how you can take a picture and put in the picture box. Okay, thank you. Hopefully you learned something. See you in our next lesson and how we can connect the database to connect the form into Microsoft Access. Thank you.